Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Free Fire application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Free Fire application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Free Fire and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the application. Now all you need to do is tap on update button just below your application to begin the updating process. Here as you can see there is no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my application. But if you do, you can just click on update button to update your Free Fire application. This is how you can update your Free Fire application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.